Hey everyone, I'm going to show you what to do if your computer is not turning on whatsoever. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you may be using a public computer or someone else's computer. But if your laptop is not working at all, it won't even turn on, you may want to first check your AC adapter just to make sure it's not defective. And if it is an AC adapter problem, then your computer just may be completely drained of battery life, and it just requires a simple replacing of your AC adapter. If it's not your AC adapter, you may want to check your power supply source. This is the power supply source menu right here. The AC adapter port is your power supply area, so just clean that area off, make sure it's free of any dust and debris, and while you're at it, just clean out your entire computer with the spray dust cleaner. You can also take out your RAM memory card as well and dust off the edges with a lint-free cloth or the dust cleaner. That'll work great. If you're still having the same problem, if it won't turn back on, you may want to take it to your local computer repair shop, and they'll definitely be able to diagnose what's going on with your computer, or you just may simply need a new one. So I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.